Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to switch between models in Ollama. Ollama supports a wide range of open source models, and being able to switch quickly between them is an essential skill, whether you're experimenting, testing performance, or comparing responses. You can explore all of the models from Ollama library, ollama.com/library, and check the model from GitHub repository. We'll cover two approaches. One, using the command line interface CLI, and two, using the Ollama User Interface UI. Let's get started. Section 1. Switching models using CLI. To switch models in the CLI, you first need to see which ones are installed locally. Run the following command, Ollama list. This displays all the models currently available on your system. Let's say you want to switch to the model Gemma 3 1B. Simply type Ollama run Gemma 3 1B. This launches the Gemma model in an interactive session. After finishing your work, exit the current session. Then, if you'd like to switch to Llama 3 to 1B, just type Ollama run Llama 3 to 1B. The model is now switched, and you can continue your task with the LLMA model. In short, by using Ollama run model name, you can switch seamlessly between any installed models in the CLI. Section 2. Switching models using UI. Open the Ollama UI. At the bottom right corner of the prompt area, you'll see a drop-down menu. This lets you choose which model you want to use for your chat session. For example, I have selected Gemma 3 1B. Then right now, Gemma model is active, and you can complete your take using this model. When you're ready to change, simply use the drop-down again and select Llama 3 to 1B. Ollama will switch instantly, and you can continue working with the new model. This method is intuitive and requires no commands, perfect for those who prefer a visual interface. And that's it. You now know how to switch between models in Ollama using both the CLI and the UI. Thank you for watching, and keep continuing to explore, experiment, and create with Ollama.